Hello, beautiful butterflies. Once again, it's time to get active. It's raining outside, so we're going to exercise indoors. Now, for this one, we're going to have our weights and hold them at our waist. And we're going to bend. Can you see my leg? We're going to bend our knee and raise our legs. I should probably move back. Let me see if I move back. Can you see me better? Yeah. Let me move this out of the way. 1. We're going to do this 30 times. That's 15 on each side. Ready? And go. 1. Wait a minute. I wonder if I move this up some. Would that be better? Yeah. And then we'll go home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Woo! And rest. So what I was doing is lifting to the side. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Rest yourselves. We'll be back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, and try this yourself. Feels amazing. Peace.